Hey there, fitness fam! Welcome back to another episode of quick and easy recipes that will keep you on track with your fitness goals. Ready to level up your meal prep game with some no-fuss, high-protein air fryer recipes? Today we're diving into some delicious and nutritious meals that are perfect for anyone looking to stay fit without spending hours in the kitchen. I'm here to show you that eating clean doesn't have to be complicated. With just a few ingredients and your trusty air fryer, you can whip up meals that are not only healthy, but also incredibly tasty. Let's jump right in. First up, we've got air-fried chicken bites. These are a game changer for anyone who loves a good protein-packed snack. Cut your chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces, season with your favorite spices. I'm talking paprika, garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and toss them in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. The beauty of this recipe is its simplicity and versatility. You can experiment with different seasonings to keep things interesting. Shake the basket halfway through for even cooking. This ensures that every piece is perfectly crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. These little protein-packed bites are perfect for meal prep or a quick snack. Pair them with a side of veggies or a dipping sauce, and you've got yourself a balanced meal. Next, we're making crispy tofu nuggets. If you're looking for a plant-based protein option, this one's for you. I know tofu gets a bad rap, but trust me on this one. When prepared right, tofu can be incredibly delicious and satisfying. Press your tofu to get rid of excess water, then cut into cubes. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy texture. Season with soy sauce, garlic powder, and a bit of cornstarch for that extra crispiness. The cornstarch helps to create a crunchy outer layer that you'll love. Air fry at 375 degrees for 15 minutes, shaking the basket halfway. This ensures that all sides get evenly cooked and crispy. You won't believe how good these are. Even tofu skeptics will be converted after trying these nuggets. Alright, moving on to my personal favorite air-fried salmon. This dish is not only high in protein but also packed with healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Season your salmon fillets with a simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, dill, and pepper. This combination enhances the natural flavors of the salmon without overpowering it. Air fry at 390 degrees for 12 minutes. The air fryer cooks the salmon to perfection, giving it a crispy exterior while keeping the inside tender and moist. The result? Perfectly cooked salmon that's tender on the inside and crispy on the outside. It's a restaurant-quality dish made right in your kitchen. High in protein, low in carbs, it's a win-win. Plus, it's so easy to make, you'll wonder why you haven't tried it sooner. And don't think I forgot about dessert. Yes, you can have high-protein dessert. Protein-packed apple chips are a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your diet. Slice your apples thin, sprinkle with cinnamon and a bit of protein powder, and air fry at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. The protein powder adds a nutritional boost, while the cinnamon gives it a warm, comforting flavor. These apple chips are not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. They're perfect for a post-workout snack or a healthy dessert option. These are so good, you'll forget they're healthy. Plus, they're a great way to get some extra fruit into your diet. So, there you have it. A variety of no-fuss, high-protein meals you can whip up in your air fryer. Each recipe is designed to be quick, easy, and perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or looking for a quick dinner solution, these recipes have got you covered. The air fryer is truly a game changer in the kitchen. Quick, easy, and perfect for anyone with a busy lifestyle. No more excuses for not eating healthy. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome recipes and fitness tips. Your support means the world to me, and helps me keep bringing you the best content. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. You'll be the first to know when new recipes and tips are posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay fit, stay healthy, and keep crushing those goals. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pushing forward and you'll achieve your fitness goals in no time. See you next time.